This reaction links two identical compounds, so it's called a dimerization. All the alpha protons on the cyclopentanone are equivalent. There are 4 possible sites for the first step of this reaction. The enolate ion forms after deprotonation. The carbon nucleophile then attacks the other carbonyl group, forming a new carbon-carbon bond. After protonation, a beta-hydroxy ketone is formed. The final step is removal of the alpha proton next to the ketone, and then when the hydroxide is removed, the final product has a conjugated alpha-beta enone group.